Hey guys, it's Jeffree beautyriotx, and today we're doing a fun collab video with a friend of mine, Jenny. Her channel is called As Told by Jenny. She puts out some really good content. She's really sweet, she's really cute, and worth taking a look at if you're looking for a new YouTuber to watch. And our collab idea was to shop each other's stash and make a fun festive look out of the products that we chose. So we're just gonna get right into it, and I hope you enjoy. All right, so for shadow, she chose the Jeffree Star Blood Sugar palette as well as the Viseart Grande Pro Volume 2. This is the all metallic. And we're just gonna come up with some fun little fanciful shadow look with this. So here we go. All right, now I'm doing something that I never do, and it's a cut crease, like with concealer. I literally never do it, but I'm gonna give it a try because I wanna see what all the fuss is about. So I'm gonna use my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define in the color C3, and I think I need a flat brush to do this. And actually, I'm gonna try a trick that I saw my friend Ailey do. She actually makes a dot here with concealer and then opens her eyes and it stamps to where it should end, like where the cut crease should end on top. So let's give it a go. I'm taking this Morphe E11 brush. It's like a slanted brush. All right, so I'm stamping this. Okay, so I can see it put the line like right here. Okay, so let's do this. Using the Alamar brush we got in our BoxyCharm a little while ago. And I'm just kind of patting the concealer down. So this is going to make it so I don't need to use my glitter glue that I would normally use for this. And that's like my holy grail product that I use literally anytime I do glitter. So let's see how this works. I mean, we're gonna have to do a green and a gold because we're just gonna have to. So we're gonna take the straight up green and straight up gold, and we gonna do this. And I'm gonna use my finger. That does look pretty. All right, now we're gonna go with a gold. Alright, so let's try, see if we can duplicate this on the other eye. Alright, so there is the cut crease. That came out fun, okay. I'll have to try that more in the future. I like that. And let me just clean up a little bit and we will finish the rest. Alright, so I finished my lashes, which Jenny picked out. The Ritzy Natural Black Kiss lashes. For me, I've really been trying to be more daring with fake lashes. I'm trying to get better at applying them. I feel like slowly but surely I'm improving a little bit, but I also wanted to put some on that were a bit flashier than I normally would use. So anyway, I also use the Revolution Flick Renaissance eyeliner, which is like my favorite. So we are just going to get into foundation, and Jenny picked for me the Makeup Revolution's Fast Base stick foundations. I have F4 and F6. I mix these because my color is not quite one or the other. And it's slightly lighter than I would usually go for, but ordering them online's a real bitch. Yes, F4 is a bit too pink, and I feel like F6 is a tad bit too yellow. But together, they're okay. And I have to say, I don't love this foundation. And I love Makeup Revolution, but this isn't my favorite foundation from them, I have to say. Yeah, this is really light. All right, for concealer, we're gonna do my MAC Waterweight concealer. A little of this goes such a long way. At first I was like, oh my god, there's like nothing in this bottle, but ugh. Like a tiny dab is literally all you need. Yeah, something about this foundation, I just don't like the way it sits on my face. All right, we're gonna go through and definitely contour because I'm looking kind of scary. And my friend Kayla brought me over Christmas ears. So I'm going to put them on because I'll probably need it in this moment. Ugh, I'm so glad I stopped being a pussy and started cream contouring because this is amazing. You know what it is, why we're so scared to like try new things with makeup? Because if we mess up one part, there's a good chance we have to start all over. Ugh, this powder though is definitely one of my favorites. And I think I'm actually gonna order some deeper shades of this and try like deeper shades as bronzers and contour. All right. And for bronzer, the Marc Jacobs Tan-Tastic Omega Bronzer. Ugh, I've really actually fallen in love with this. I really didn't want to fall in love with it, but I have. This would be probably one of those high-end products that I actually repurchase, but only if it's on sale. If you sign up for like Marc Jacobs, like the actual Marc Jacobs website, they'll send you alerts when there's like 20% off, 30% off, and that's when I would get these because I don't want to wait around for Sephora to throw a sale at us out of nowhere. All right, we're gonna go in with blush now, and this is the Wet n Wild Rose Champagne Color Icon Blush. This used to be like a favorite. I mean, it's still good, but I mean, I just haven't used it in a while. I used to wear it all the time. It's like the perfect everyday glowy blush. Do all these things go together? Who knows? All right, so let's finish my eyes now, and we will go back in with the Blood Sugar palette. And oh my god, I love these two shades right here. This one and this one. Oh my god, they might be my favorite out of the whole thing. And I think I'm gonna go in with these two for my lower lash line. And this is the Vintage Company Step 1 for the Money brush. It came in like a trio in one of my BoxyCharms. I love this like sick chic eye look. You know, man, there's something about red eyeshadow that I just can't get enough of. I'm gonna stamp this right along my lower lash line. Just kind of deepen it up a little bit. We're gonna do a black liner, and I think I'm gonna go in with we're just gonna do the INGLOT black Kohl liner. This is one of my favorites. All right, and now we're gonna finish off with highlight and lips, and then we're good to go. All right, so for highlight, Jenny chose the OFRA highlighter in Pillow Talk, and this is like lightning. It's lightning. There's a reason that OFRA highlighters last forever, because you literally, all you have to do is like, go like that, like it's nothing. I mean, it's not nothing, but. Oh God, I don't know how they do it. OFRA and Makeup Revolution have the best highlighters ever. Last but not least, Jenny chose the Ciate London Glitter Flip Liquid Lipstick in the color Forbidden. And I haven't actually used this since I reviewed it. All right, so now what happens is, I'll zoom you in because this part's fun. All right, so it's just a nice kind of liquid lipstick, and then it gets nice and sparkly. So that was it. What do you guys think of this final look? I think it's kind of holiday chic. What do you guys think? I'm definitely gonna try the cut crease again because that was cool. And this is incredibly uncomfortable, even though it's very pretty. And really, I remember being more wowed by it the first time I did it. Maybe it's bad. I don't know. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you head over to Jenny's channel and show her some love. She has some really good content, and she's just adorable. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.